Hey, hey, look what came today. So you saw me post not too long ago that Tabitha was offering free worldwide shipping again, Tabitha and her team, her amazing team. And so I had to order me a box, and it arrived today. So let's unpack this thing and see what we got, shall we? Let's see here. Can I zoom out a little bit? There we go. If you watch my channel, none of this will probably be a surprise because I kind of tend to favor some of these things. Let's see, here's my packing slip, and I got a little note. Hi Jamaison, we hope you and Dawn are doing well. We have included 200 grams of our practically imperfect, but we are sure that you can make something perfect with it. Oh, thank you. That was a nice little freebie. All the best, Coral. Hey Coral, hope you and the team are doing well. I got to meet Coral in person in Vegas, and that was awesome. Okay, yeah, so let me show you what I got. It might be easier, let's see here. I'll just leave it here. Let's start cutting these things open. So, if you're unfamiliar with Tabitha's Glass Emporium, they do lots of beautiful inclusions for glass, and they're based in Croatia. But honestly, the shipping to the US is very reasonable, even if you pay for shipping. The prices overall are very reasonable, and then shipping is not too bad. You just have to be patient. You have to be patient and willing to wait for it a little bit. But I find the shipping rates are not bad. But then a couple of times a year, historically, I can't promise they'll do this forever, but historically, a couple times a year, they offer free international shipping, free worldwide shipping. And so you got to jump on that quickly. And it's usually only for a couple of days. Check this out. I bought just some scrap cane. I thought this would be really fun to cut up and put into heart molds. I've owned this stuff before. I love it. If you cut it in to chunks and lay it out in a heart mold, it can look really, really cool. So that's the first package there. Let's see about opening up the second package carefully, because I certainly don't want to cut myself. You know what, I am just going to move this because that's going to make things a little easier for me as I start to tear in. Confetti! This is why I said if you know my channel, you won't be surprised. I love her confetti. I absolutely love this stuff. And what I like to do personally is put this into the kiln and full fuse it as a whole block, and then put it in, plunge it in water after heating it up a second time, and then crushing it up and making frit. I've done a couple of videos on that before, and then this is really nice, again, for heart molds or that paw print mold that I love so much. And then I donate those paw prints to the animal shelter. So these are just fun colors. It's a really great way to get some texture and some pattern in glass versus just chopping up sheet glass, because this already has, you know, the two colors blended together. You can see a little reaction happening there. Isn't that fun? So anyway, love, love, love the confetti. Therefore, it will surprise no one to learn that this is probably going to be confetti as well. You betcha. Look at how beautiful that blue is. And there's some clear in there, a little bit of what looks like white. So just nice soft blue colors. I think that'll make some great frit and some really pretty pieces. That could even be used in a water scene. Digging that. Sometimes this confetti just makes me feel that much more creative too. What can I do with that? So in the case of something like this, bringing that back and doing a water scene, you know, then I might just use the confetti as it is and lay it out so that it looks almost like waves in the water. And the next package is, look, more confetti. Isn't that fun? This was really cool. Turquoise striker, it says. Isn't that really cool? Those stripes are awesome. So again, that is a pattern you don't find in sheet glass. It's only coming from the vitrograph. And so what this confetti is, these are the hollows left over, either probably at the end of her vit pulls. And so she's making, you know, the beautiful Murrini, but then you get these hollows left. And I just love this stuff. I think there's a lot of value. And again, it makes me a little bit more creative. Next up, I'm sure the postman can hear some of this glass rattling around and thinking, uh-oh, something broke. No, I intentionally bought broken glass. So these I think are going to be identical. I think I bought 2 packages of these. This is just awesome pattern bar cutoffs. And so again, putting these in some heart molds or something with a little extra glass, I think are really, really cool. So these are probably the ends of the pattern bars, or maybe a piece that cracked when they were cutting it. And so fun stuff there. And then what is this Freebie mix? I'm very interested. So this is imperfect, according to Coral's note. But then, oh yeah, so she sells a lot of curious stuff. Well, look at this. Some of this is still darling. It's really cool. Well, thank you. This is really nice of you, Coral and Tabitha and team. I'm definitely going to put some of this to good use, and there's more in there. So that was very, very sweet. Thank you for that. I really appreciate you and everything that you do. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Hey, I've been trapped a little bit in the house. I'm finally in a walking boot, but I've been recovering from surgery. And what happens is when you recover from surgery and you have nothing else to do and you can't do glass, you start buying stuff. So stay tuned, because I know I have more unboxing videos coming soon. Catch you all later. Bye-bye.